A joint military exercise, Cyclone 2025, between India and which country began at the Mahajan Field Firing Range in Rajasthan on 10 February 2025? A. France. B. Egypt. C. Russia. Correct answer is Egypt. The third edition of the India-Egypt Joint Military Exercise, Cyclone 2025, commenced on 10 February 2025 at the Mahajan Field Firing Range, Rajasthan. The 14-day exercise aims to enhance defense cooperation, share professional skills, and improve special forces interoperability in desert environments. According to the 2025 Henley Passport Index, which country's passport is ranked as the most powerful, offering visa-free or visa-on-arrival access to 193 destinations? Correct answer is Singapore. The Singaporean passport has emerged as the strongest passport in the world with visa-free or visa-on-arrival access to 193 out of 227 countries across the globe, according to the 2025 Henley Passport Index. India found the 80th spot on the list, with easy access to 56 nations. Which two countries signed an MoU to launch the Hydro-Nepal project? A. Nepal and France. B. Nepal and China. C. Nepal and India. D. Nepal and Germany. Correct answer is Nepal and France. The Nepal Electricity Authority, NEA, the Embassy of France in Nepal, and Blue Water Intelligence signed a Memorandum of Understanding, MoU, to launch the Hydro-Nepal project. NEA Managing Director Koolman Geising and CEO of BWI Jeremy Fain signed the MoU in the presence of French Ambassador Virginie Courteval. This initiative of digitizing Nepal's river basins is expected to optimize its vast hydropower resources and support preparedness for hydrological risks. On which date did US President Donald Trump recognize Gulf of America Day? A. 5th February. B. 7th February. C. 9th February. D. 11th February. Correct answer is 9th February. In a historic move, US President Donald Trump has officially recognized 9th February as Gulf of America Day, following a significant change to the name of the Gulf of Mexico. India recently signed a deal with Russia to acquire which missile system for its Sindhughosh-class submarines? A. BrahMos. B. Clubis. C. Kalibarem. D. Nirbhay. Correct answer is Clubis. India has recently finalized an agreement with Russia to acquire anti-ship cruise missiles. This move aims to strengthen the operational capabilities of the Indian Navy's submarine fleet. The specifics of the deal, such as the name, quantity, and cost of the missiles, have not been disclosed by the Defense Ministry. Who was Namibia's first president and independence leader who passed away in February 2025? A. Robert Mugabe. B. Sam Nujoma. C. Nelson Mandela. D. Hage Geingob. Correct answer is Sam Nujoma. Sam Nujoma, Namibia's first democratically elected president and independence leader, passed away at age 95 on 8 February 2025. A guerrilla leader and activist, he led SWAPO and PI the key role in Namibia's liberation from apartheid South Africa, becoming president on 21 March 1990. Recognized as the founding father of the Namibian nation, Nujoma promoted national reconciliation and democratic institutions but faced criticism for media suppression, opposition to homosexuality, and a constitutional amendment enabling his third term. In which Indian state is North India's first green hydrogen facility being established? A. Uttarakhand. B. Punjab. C. Himachal Pradesh. D. Haryana. Correct answer is Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh has begun work on North India's first green hydrogen plant at Dabhota, Nalagarh. To boost green energy, CM Sukhvinder Singh Sukha laid the foundation for the 1 megawatt plant, developed by HPPCL and Oil India Limited at 9.04 crore rupees. Which bank has introduced an AI-powered avatar of Amitabh Bachchan for customer interaction? A. HDFC Bank. B. ICICI Bank. C. IDFC First Bank. D. Axis Bank. Correct answer is IDFC First Bank. IDFC First Bank, in partnership with Icons Studios, has expanded its AI-powered holographic avatar of Amitabh Bachchan to 5 more cities. Using HXR technology, the avatar offers interactive customer engagement, providing information on banking products like zero-fee banking and mobile banking. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.